In this video, we will take an overview of the resource usage report in MS Project. So the path we have, you can see drop down button under your Gantt chart, but make sure you have click on the task. Okay, so then you can see resource usage. Click on this report and on the top, you can see we have here those activities on which activities we didn't assign any resources yet. You can see here. Okay, so unassigned. And if you scroll down, so you can see here we have here the task, okay, and resources. So first is the actually the resource usage view in MS Project that helps project managers to track and manage the work assigned to each resource. So it displays the total work hours for each resource and breaks it down into the individual task and their respective time allocation. Okay, so first, let's take an overview of the product manager, that is the resource, and you can see here work under work column how many total man hours we need against the project manager, 458.4 hours. You can see here, and on site clearance we have assigned 120 hours. Then on a layout marking we have assigned 40 hours. Like that, you can see here we will be able to see here the cumulative. Okay, so but on the right side you can see here we have a spreadsheet report. You can see here the spreadsheet report. In the month of Feb, we need 64 units of project manager. In the month of March, we need 168 hours. And in the month of April, we need 168. Okay, so then say you in the month of May, we need 58.4 hours. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so here we have the cumulative month-wise report, and here we have the total cumulative against the product manager. So we can right click here and we can also click on the cost. So to show the cost, in the month of Feb, we need 64 units for of project manager. Against 64 units we need this cost $2,560. And next you can see we have a March, and in the month of March we need 168 hours of the project manager, and against 168 hours we need $67,020 cost. Okay, so this is the good report, okay, for project managers and for the project planners. Okay, so the same you can see for the all the assigned resources. Let's suppose next we have the site engineer. Against site engineer we need cumulative 450.4 hours. Okay, total. So on the site clearance we have assigned 120 hours. On layout marking we have assigned 40, like that. Okay, so again you can see on the right side in the spreadsheet the month wise distribution. 64 hours in the month of Feb, and again 64 hours we need $1,920. Okay, so in the month of March 168, and here we have the cost. Okay, so now next let's take one more example of any resource. Next you can see we have here the mason. We need a total 80 hours on our product. So here you can see in the month of a March we have 80 hours, and against 80 hours we need 1,600 cost. Okay, so actually we didn't assign resources on all activities, so that's why we can see we are able to see only for the few activities. Okay, so we can also we can also expand, we can convert into weeks, and we can also convert into days as well. So this report you can see now we have in actually in a week. So next we if I just zoom in, so it will be converted into days. Okay, so you can see here Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you can see here. So it will be converted into days. So You can zoom in, you can zoom out. Okay, so I hope everything is clear related to the resource usage. Actually, it's a spreadsheet report. Okay, so in MS projects. So I hope everything is clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.